Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a salad dressing based on butternut squash. Now I want this dressing to be kind of fruity and on the sweet side instead of savory side. And I may make some adjustments as I go because this is really more of a test run than anything. I've got 3 cups of cubed butternut squash, and I cooked them to fork tender in a small covered pot in only 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened apple juice. So that right there gives it a little bit of a sweetness. So I'm going to add this cooked butternut squash to my blender. And then for just a little bit of saltiness in there, I've got 1 stalk of celery that I've chopped up. And I have 1 tablespoon of flax meal, that's ground up flax, 2 Deglet Noor dates, and I'm starting with 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I will probably add more vinegar to the mix than that, but I want to just start with that. I'm just showing you how you can experiment here and build a salad dressing on the formula that I shared with you earlier in another video. And now I have some unsweetened apple juice and 3/4 of a cup here. I'm going to just add some of it and blend it up and see where we go. I may add the whole thing. I may even add more than that. We're just going to wing this and then I'm going to taste it. I may make some adjustments. I'll let you know where I wind up with, and the recipe will be below, so stand by. Now here's our finished dressing, and I did make some adjustments in the flavor. I added more juice to the mix, and don't worry, I will have the complete recipe below. I added 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, another tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So it's got a sweet tart flavor, which is what I was looking for. Give this a try sometime and let me know how it works for you. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.